Hola, my name is Alejandra Gonzalez and I'm the owner and lead designer at Aquarela Gifts Flowers in Monrovia, California. And this is my team, Monica.
Hi.
And Terry.
Hi. I've been with Aquarela for 8 years now. I just love the shop. It's such a cozy little shop with lots of flowers, lots of plants, and I have such love for flowers. So much so that I take flowers home weekly. And because of Alejandra, I have learned a whole lot about flower arrangements, different flowers, different plants, and I just thank her very much for teaching me and being so patient.
Bueno, mi nombre es Mónica, soy parte del equipo de Aquarela. Empecé aquí a trabajar hace 4 años aproximadamente. Vine por la mamá de Alejandra, que también es fundadora de Aquarela. Mi mejor parte es cuando le entregamos los arreglos a los clientes, sus sonrisas, porque cada arreglo es hecho especial. Cada arreglo es pensado en las personas, en el cliente, en el momento. Esa es mi mejor parte, lo amo.
Aquarela feels like home for customers and for us. We have plants, we have flowers, we have dried flowers, and I really care for what the customers are going to receive. For me, it's very important that every arrangement that leaves the shop, we love. At Aquarela, our style is garden look and whimsical. So if you're looking for that style, more than welcome to visit our website. Along retail, we also do events and we have our seasonal workshops where you can check them on our website or you can DM us on Instagram. Okay, ¿2, 3? ¡Los esperamos!